Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in senior care with Amedisys, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in senior care with Amedisys, first, research the company's background and history. Understand the services Amedisys provides, including home healthcare and hospice care. Review Amedisys' financial performance by examining their quarterly earnings reports. Look for recent press releases and news articles to stay updated on their market position. Assess Amedisys' growth strategy and any plans for expansion or partnership. Check the overall trends in the senior care industry to understand market demand. Identify the potential risks involved, such as regulatory changes or market competition. Decide on the investment method, whether buying stocks directly or investing through a mutual fund. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Select a reputable platform. Fund your brokerage account, ensuring you meet the minimum deposit requirements. Search for Amedisys stocks by their ticker symbol, which is AMED. Review the current stock price and analyze its historical performance. Place an order to buy shares, choosing between market or limit orders based on your strategy. Consider the investment's long-term potential, keeping in mind the growing demand for senior care services. Monitor your investment regularly, analyzing the company's performance and industry trends. Stay informed about healthcare regulations that may impact Amedisys and the senior care sector. Finally, consult with a financial advisor if needed to refine your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.